The unsung hero of automotive invention. That's the pair of wipers on your car. You never realize just how much you need them until it rains. The rest of the year, they're just a swipe away. The first windshield wipers were invented by Mary Anderson in 1903, and to date, they work on the exact same principle. An arm with a rubber blade mounted on it wipes clean the windscreen of your vehicle by a lever operated from the inside. Though the windscreen wiper is a simple device, it's one of those apparatus on your car that tend to attract an enormous amount of dirt and grime, which, if not tended to properly, can damage the blade, the arm, and in the most severe conditions, even the wiper motor. Keeping them clean is a simple operation. Every time you send your vehicle to a service center for a pressure wash, make sure the arms get cleaned thoroughly. The wiper blades, also called a squeegee, need to be cleaned with a soft cloth. If you park your car out in the sun, it is advisable to lift the wiper blade off the windscreen. The intense heat and the glasshouse effect your car's cabin creates can over time damage the edge of the wiper blade, which is made of a thin rubber layer. Every couple of weeks, check that your wiper blades aren't chipped or cut. Check that there is no rust accumulated on the wiper arm. Check if the wiper blade flexes easily. A stiff blade won't wipe your windscreen cleanly. And also check that your wiper arm is securely fastened to the wiper blade. Now remember to replace your wiper blades just after summer is done and before the monsoon sets in. Also change your wiper blades if they are skipping, splitting, streaking, and most definitely if they're squeaking.
Thanks for watching our DIY videos. To know more, watch and follow our Total India Facebook page.